Hey babies. Okay, so if you're doing lesson 4.1, some people were saying, well, how do I write on the slides? So if you see you have your evidence cards here, right? And I think this is also for lesson 3.2. I think you have to write on your slides. I mean, on your cards, but anyway, for 4.1, I know for sure you have to write on your cards. So you're going to click on your set of cards, right? In some assignments, I gave you your own cards, and other ones, I think I just posted it. Either way, it's fine. So you're going to hit more actions. So there's little 3 dots on the side here. You're going to hit more options, and you're going to open it in a new window. So when you open it in that new window, right, notice that you can add comments. So I can highlight this here and say, okay, this shows me, and you're going to say whatever it shows you, right? And you can comment, and you're also going to be able to say, oh, well, boom. So if I'm looking at this one, it says a neighbor who lives close, right? So this neighbor, right, might not be accurate data. And this is group of, so I'm going to say this is a group of hikers. So I'm going to say this is even less reliable. So I'm going to say less reliable than the neighbor. So if I'm only looking at cards A and B, remember that you guys are looking at all of the cards. So A all the way up to G. So this is less reliable than neighbors. So I'm going to rank this one 2 and rank the other one 1 because I'm only looking at these first 2. You guys are going to be ranking more than that. And that's how you're going to be able to annotate these slides. And these comments that you have would be there for you forever. So if I decide to leave this page and go back and boom, and if I open this up, you should be able to see my comments. So, boom. So we're going to open a new window. So there is, sorry. So you can see your comments, right? Boom. So that's one way to do it. And Miss Jackson will be able to see your comments. You can do it the other way. I saw some students open it with Google Docs. If you want to, that's fine. It's easier to write the comments. But if you want to go in Google Docs, it comes out a little wonky, right? But some people was doing it this way. I wouldn't suggest this way. I would suggest just writing your comments because Miss Jackson can see them. So you have a comment there, you have a comment there, right? You have comments here. So I might want to say this hiker observations, and you're going to say whatever you say. And those comments are there for you in the future. So whenever you open up your set of cards, you'd be able to see the things that you saw. The things that you saw the first time, whatever you felt, whatever you see, however you think it's reliable or not, you'd be able to see all that data whenever you open these cards up for our Socratic seminar. And there'll be a video coming up on how to do the Socratic seminar. I know it's going to look a little wonky because we are not in class. We're online. I think we're probably going to do a Zoom. All right, let me know if you have any questions at all. Have a good day.